him at the zoo.
He's looking very amused.
Super amused.
Yes, here we have the first animal.
Hey guys! So the dish I'm making today is called Lu Rou Fan and it's from Taiwan. And you basically eat it with like braised pork belly. Well, it is a braised pork belly and you eat it with rice. I'm probably gonna make some vegetables because currently there's only pork, mushrooms, and eggs in there. So I usually cut up the pork fat. I cut it out from the meat and I usually make like crispy pork lard. Basically just put it in a hot pan and then it gets really crispy, and I put that on top of some vegetables sometimes. Chinese restaurants, they put it on noodle soups and it's just like a little crispy, it's a topping. Okay, so I washed it out. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Just I like to put a lot of eggs in my dish because I love marinated eggs. It's so good. So I'm just gonna wait and let it cook for 8 minutes. Set my timer here. I'm just gonna let it cook. Raccoon is so cute. Alright. Time's up. Just gonna let it simmer for like an hour and an hour and a half, then I'm gonna eat. By the way, I'm gonna show you these. Here. They're so good. They're really good when you put them on rice. I'm gonna put this away for safekeeping. Perfect. Georgia, wrap me up in all your want you. So I'm just reading here that the history of Lu Rou Fan dates back to the 19th century when it is commonly consumed by laborers and farmers as a hearty and affordable meal. The slow braising of the pork allowed for tougher cuts to become tender and flavorful. Over time, the dish gained popularity and became a staple in Taiwanese cuisine. You can see like half of the egg is already nicely marinated. Okay, taste test. Oh wow. Oh yeah. It's coming together pretty well. So we can watch something. Isn't this so cute? My husband found it and gave it to me the other day. That is my Lu Rou Fan. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I like it more when the egg is soaked overnight, but this shall do. It's nicely marinated. Crispy pork lard. It's raining outside. I don't know how it's been where you are, but the weather has been really, really crazy in Frankfurt.
It's just, we know you all well.
Hello there. Nice to
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, it's everyone.